Going on, guys? We're out here at Crystal Isles, Crystal River Campgrounds. This place is pretty cool. I'm going to flip this around and give you a quick tour of our setup, what we got going on, and where our campsite is. Here we go. Here's our small Springdale. We got our boat inflatables back here. Check that out. I will video them as we're inflating them, show you the process of setting them up. We're gonna go out in the water today. We're gonna go to Three Sisters Springs. Where are we going?
The freezer.
Freezer. One of our favorite places to come when we're in Crystal River, Homosassa. Right?
Yes.
What do you get?
Shrimp.
Scram?
And salmon fish dip.
No, you forgot something that's very important.
Drinks.
No. Smoked salmon.
Smoked
Fish
salmon.
Dip. This is it. Well, drinks is a given, I guess. Right, buddy? They allow dogs outside. But it's cash only. So you gotta pay in cash, and there's an ATM inside. We gotta go around this way. It's outside the freezer.
Like a twisted tea.
You want a twisted tea?
Yeah.
Alright, then, in the water for the dog. Here we go. Boom. Look at that. How much shrimp you get.
It's hot.
Peel and eat shrimp, fresh. Can't beat that.
It has
Smoked salmon fillet. You got your butter. There's the dip right there.
Actually, this guy's more of a snorer than she is.
Ooh, this is the best fish dip.
you're doing it wrong. You have
Ever.
to dip it in the hot sauce first.
Well, hold on.
We named him after like cheap one.
And then you dip it. That's how you do it.
What?
Hot sauce
12 minute
first.
ago.
They're tired. They've been up. We actually just saw a boat that had
Hot sauce.
costumes on them, and they looked like these guys that had puppies.
Then fish dip. And you put it in your mouth.
Here, bud, but they're littler.
Can't wait to dig into this. See ya. Did you ever go walk rocket? I think he's tired.